Hey there! Are you dreaming of financial and time freedom, but don't know where to start? Imagine being able to work from anywhere, set your schedule, and earn a great income, even without prior tech skills. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. In this video, I'll show you how to become an AI freelancer as a complete beginner. No AI experience? No problem. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your journey in AI freelancing. Let's dive in. Why AI freelancing is perfect for beginners. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's revolutionizing industries. Businesses are actively seeking freelancers who can help with AI-powered tools and services. The best part: many of these tools are beginner-friendly and don't require coding skills. Key points: the AI industry is growing rapidly, creating countless opportunities for freelancers. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, and ManyChat make AI accessible to everyone. Businesses prefer freelancers because it's cost-effective for them and flexible for you. This is your chance to tap into a booming market and gain financial independence. AI freelancing with beginner-friendly tools plus high demand will give a flexible lifestyle. You don't need to be a tech expert to succeed. Simply follow these steps. Step 1. Understand the basics of AI. Let's understand what AI is in simple terms and how it works. Don't worry, no tech jargon here. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's about teaching machines to perform tasks like humans, such as writing, designing, or answering questions. Tools powered by AI can help you work faster and smarter. How to start? Learn with free resources. Use platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Khan Academy to get basic knowledge about AI tools. Experiment with AI tools. Sign up for free trials of tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Pictory. Spend time exploring their features. For example, use ChatGPT to create a blog post, Canva to design a flyer, or Pictory to turn a script into a video. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Tip: start with free tools to practice and build your skills. Step 2. Choose your AI freelancing niche. A niche is simply the area you want to focus on. Popular AI freelancing niches include content creation. Use tools like ChatGPT to write blogs, social media posts, or product descriptions. Graphic design. Use Canva or Midjourney to create logos, social media graphics, or digital art. Video creation. Use Pictory to produce videos for businesses or influencers. Market research. Use ChatGPT and SEMrush to analyze trends and create reports. Chatbot building. Use ManyChat to automate customer service for small businesses. How to choose your niche. Reflect on your interests. What excites you the most? Begin to research on your area of interest. Check freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to see which services are popular. Remember, start simple but consistent. Pick one niche and master it before exploring others. For example, you can start by offering content creation services, then expand into video editing as you gain experience. Tip: focus on one niche to avoid overwhelm and build expertise. Step 3. Build your portfolio. A portfolio showcases your work and helps potential clients trust your abilities. Don't worry if you don't have paid experience yet. Here's how to create one. Practice projects. Create sample work using AI tools. For example, write a blog using ChatGPT. Or design a flyer using Canva. Produce a short video with Pictory. Then offer free services, help friends, family, or small businesses for free in exchange for testimonials. Next step is to compile your work. Use a simple website builder like Wix or a portfolio platform like Behance, where you can discover or hire creatives to showcase your projects. Your portfolio doesn't need to be fancy. Focus on showing your skills and what you can offer. Remember, it's quality over quantity, so highlight your best work. Step 4. Find clients and start earning. Now this is the exciting part, getting clients. Here's how to start earning as an AI freelancer. Use the following freelancing platforms. 1. Upwork, create a profile, highlight your niche, and apply for jobs. 2. Fiverr, set up gigs offering your services. Transparency is key, so you could say, I will create engaging social media content using AI tools. 3. Use LinkedIn to network with professionals and showcase your work. 4. Direct outreach could also be helpful. So, if you have found this information useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Reach out to small businesses, startups, or entrepreneurs who might need your services. Then send a simple pitch explaining how your AI skills can solve their problems. For instance, you can pitch a local coffee shop by offering to create their social media posts using Canva. Earnings potential, content creation, $50 to $200 per project. Graphic design, $25 to $100 per design. Video creation, $100 to $300 per video. Chatbot setup, $500, $2,000 per project. Tip: start small, deliver quality, and build long-term relationships with clients. Step 5. Scale your freelancing business. Once you start getting clients, it's time to think bigger. Here's how to scale your freelancing business. 1. Increase your rates. As you gain experience, charge more for your services. 2. Offer additional services. Expand into related niches, such as combining content creation with video editing. 3. Automate your workflow. Use tools like Trello or Asana to manage projects efficiently. 4. Build a team. Outsource tasks to other freelancers to handle more projects. Scaling doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency and dedication, you can build a sustainable and lucrative freelancing business. Keep going, stay consistent. Remember, winners don't quit and quitters don't win. Let's recap the steps to becoming an AI freelancer as a beginner. 1. Understand the basics of AI. 2. Choose your niche. 3. Build your portfolio. 4. Find clients and start earning. 5. Scale your business. Remember, the key is to start. You don't need to be an expert to begin, just take that first step and keep learning. AI tools are here to make your life easier and open doors to opportunities you never imagined. If you found this video informative, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips, and comment below on which AI skill you're excited to try. The journey to financial and time freedom starts now. Let's make it happen together.